Hey Sabi here, welcome to the video. In the last video, we have talked about the one offer ecosystem, and in this video, as promised, we are going to create lead magnet using AI from scratch, and it's gonna look beautiful. Okay, and before we go ahead and create this lead magnet, I want to actually tell you something, right? Most people, what they do is they simply go to PLR websites and download those 15-year-old ebooks and search and deliver that as a lead magnet, right? And even now when AI exists, people still go and just give it a generic prompt and just get a PDF done, and that's it. They import and they go to Google Docs, paste it there, and that's it. They just deliver it there. The thing is, the lead magnet is the very first point of contact with your lead, with that person here. And your job, the job of email list here, the job of sending email is building that trust, right? And if you don't build that trust, the leads that you are going to receive are going to be junk. So if your lead magnet is going to be junk, then your lead is going to be junk as well, and people will not be opening your emails anymore because they don't trust you anymore. So it's important that your lead magnet is actually good. It actually serves a purpose. It actually helps them so that it naturally leads to the core offer as explained in the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video about the one offer ecosystem that I talked about, please go and watch that video first and then come back and watch this video. Now it's time we take a look at it. So we actually need our core offer first in order to make our lead magnet, right? So I have selected this offer called Newbie Success Formula by Kevin Fahe as my core offer, as my one main offer, and it perfectly fits the criteria that I want, right? It is designed to target to these newbies who are entering the affiliate marketing or who are struggling to make anything with affiliate marketing. So that is my offer. You can choose anything. What is your niche? Let me know, right? Is it health? Is it spirituality? Is it make money online? Let me know in the comment section. But anyway, let's go ahead and continue. And this is the affiliate offer, right? The Warrior Plus dashboard where I can grab my affiliate link and use it to sell this product and make commissions. Okay, so the very first thing, I normally use Gemini, Google Gemini, but in this video, let's go ahead. As you can see, I have created my thumbnails, tested my thumbnails using Gemini. But let's go ahead and use ChatGPT this time and let's see how it performs, right? I already entered a prompt here, which I will read, and I also give it in the description below. Okay, so you can go ahead and copy that prompt for you to use. Prompt is pretty simple. You are an expert direct response copywriter and a funnel architect specializing in the make money online and the affiliate marketing niche. You understand high converting psychology, specifically how to bridge cold traffic into warm buyers. Okay. Now the goal is I need you to build a highly valuable lead magnet that helps the lead and promotes an affiliate offer. The audience is looking to make money online or online income, and I want this lead magnet to be something related to that. Okay. My target audience or avatar is, I asked ChatGPT to determine it from the sales page text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually copy the whole thing and enter it here and let ChatGPT decide what's the best lead magnet would be and what my targeted audience would be, so that I am not guessing here, right? Why? Because Kevin here, the vendor here, right? Mostly these vendors have already done their research. They spend thousands of dollars in copywriting, in building the sales page to sell their offers, and they have perfectly targeted their pain points, right? People's pain points, the angles, multiple angles in order to sell this offer. So we are just going to borrow that data and feed it to ChatGPT, right? Very simple. So the affiliate offer is Newbie Success Formula, and I have added few more data here. So below is the text from the sales page of the offer I am promoting, and I have also attached the screenshot of the sales page. Okay, let me just close the bracket here. Analyze the sales page and propose 5 lead magnet ideas. These must be simple text-based digital assets that you can create end-to-end that solves one specific problem and naturally lead the user to go ahead and buy that offer. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to the sales page here. I will press the Control A button so that I select everything, right? And then copy it, come back to ChatGPT and just paste it here, right? So I will use the quotes, and in between I will paste the whole sales page text. Right now, remember, I have also talked about adding the screenshot of it, right? So I will go to the sales page, and it is quite a lengthy sales page. So what I will do is I will use a Chrome extension called Fireshot, right? You can simply Google it, and as you can see in this option here, I can capture the entire page or the sections of this page. All right, I want to capture the entire page here. So now I will actually click on that. So as you can see, this goes on to do its job and starting, screenshotting this every this whole sales page. I can't talk today. Wow. Okay. Anyway, I will wait a bit till this completes, and I will come back in a bit. And here we are. So once it finished the screenshot job, it actually opened up a new tab which I can save as PDF, save as image and such. What I will do is I will simply copy the image, right click and copy, go back to ChatGPT and just paste it here, right? Paste it here. As you can see, it has been pasted. Now I will just click this icon here. Let's go. So let me see what is it doing. So perfect. I will answer this as yada yada yada. So I need the new visual to finish this. First log the avatar derived from the sales page. Primary avatar, absolute or near beginner in make money online affiliate marketing. Perfect. Has watched tons of YouTube videos, downloaded free PDFs, possibly bought 1 to 2 low quality courses, is stuck in almost mode. Biggest pain is not motivation, it's tech overwhelm, not knowing what to do first, fear of making invisible mistakes, fragmented advice. Why this is important? Well, if you know your avatar here, if you know exactly who you are selling to, then it's easier to make content or run ads to get that avatar to see whatever that you're offering. All right. So you will need to study this a little. And now, and it gave me the 5 high converting lead magnet ideas, and I'm doing this for the first time. So let's see. So lead magnet number 1 is the 0 to launch map, the exact 7-step order beginners must follow or stay stuck forever. So 6 to 8 page PDF or Google Doc, problem solves. So inside the exact order of actions, digital claim, that's domain plus hosting, no design, opt-in, email system before traffic, affiliate offer selection rules, and things like that. Second one is beginner tech stack cheat sheet, build a real online business for under $25 per month. Okay, and the good lead magnet, the blinking cursor fix, what to do in your first 72 hours so you don't quit again. All right, why most beginners fail at affiliate marketing and 3 invisible mistakes that kill income before it starts. All right, the 1-page online income blueprint, what you're really building, finally explained. Okay, and it's giving me the flow here: traffic, opt-in, email, offer, follow-up, repeat. So this is going to be inside that lead magnet. I think this one looks actually good, right? The 1-page online income blueprint, that is perfectly fine. I like the number 5. So I wrote down, I like the 5th one. Please create that one. Make sure it is high in quality and value and is easy to understand, easy to understand language, right? And is in easy to understand language. Make sure it's high quality. All right, let's just click enter and see what it's coming up with. So perfect choice. This is the best lead magnet for cold MMO traffic. Great. So the 1-page online income blueprint, what you're really building and why most beginners never make money. So it gave us the introduction. If you ever wondered where does this money actually come from, nice, you are not alone. By the time you finish reading the syllabus, you will finally understand how online income works, why random tactics don't pay, what you should be building and what you should ignore. Actually pretty good. The big mistake most beginners make. So you gotta read it, right? You actually gotta read it, and it is giving us, everything that we need in actual good lead magnet, right? Pretty short lead magnet and pretty good one, right? Why most beginners have never reached the stage, all in bulleted points. So it is very easy to understand for a beginner who are opting in onto our email listing here, right? So we actually got that. All right. Now what most people do is they go ahead and actually just copy it, open the Google Docs, and just download as PDF or share the Google Doc itself, which is not a bad tactic. You can do that, but I really like providing something better. Go that extra mile, and we don't really need Canva. What people do is they go to Google Doc and they just work hard and use Canva, and then go ahead and put in a couple of hours and create in an attempt to create that beautiful lead magnet, right? What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to give it a prompt, and let me do that. So here's my prompt, right? I want you to create a clean HTML design of this lead magnet that looks professional and easy on eyes to read and digest, which I can save as PDF and deliver, right? There's a lot of grammatical mistake here, the eyes and such. That's fine. ChatGPT understand. So we are going to create an HTML code, and make sure to watch this clearly because you are going to really love this. All right. So let me just enter that and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So it is giving me all the instruction as well. All right. So let's just go, and yeah, it is creating me the full HTML file for the lead magnet that it created for me just now. And let's just see what it comes up with, right? I will let it finish the code and I will then come back. All right, here I am. So it gave me the code, the design. So all I need to do is I need to open up a notepad. So here is my notepad here. All right, I just need to copy code. Click on this copy code. I click that and I will just paste that. All right. And I will go ahead, file and save, and make sure what you need to do is make sure. So for example, this is newbie success formula offer, right? So NSF lead magnet for now .html, right? Make sure to add .html to save it as an HTML file. Okay. So I will click on, I will save that. Now it should be saved on my downloads, and as you can see, here you go. So I will click on that and it will open up this page here. Look at how simple and how beautiful it is. Very easy to eye, right? Very one page lead magnet that actually goes straight to the content and skips the bullshit, right? You can even go ahead and modify it. If you want to add some images, you can ask ChatGPT to do that as well. But for example purposes, this is perfectly fine. If you want to add your name, right, for example your brand name, educational content only, if you want to change that, you can change that. And also I have one change to make, right? I want my lead magnet here, right? My lead magnet here to go and point out to the core offer, right? So I will do one change here. What I will do is, so now I have added this thing here. I have added this prompt here. The lead magnet is missing the call to action, which takes them to the offer. Please add a CTA, that is call to action, which naturally leads them to the offer. This is my affiliate link. So I will go to Warrior Plus and I will simply click on it, copy link address, come here and paste that in here, right? And if I want to add tracking, I can simply do this, right? PDF or lead magnet. Pretty simple. Also, the brand at the end, change it to created by Abhi, right? This thing here, right? The brand thing, your brand name, education content only, change that to just created by Abhi. You can do whatever that you want. Let's see what it comes up with now. All right, this has been completed. The coding has been completed and it just giving me the steps here, right? So I will just click on the copy code once again here, and then I will go back to my notepad and just completely delete the previous code and just paste it again. Whoops, Control V, and there we go. And I will save it again. File save. I don't have to do save as because it's the same file. So you will see the change here, right? So if I just click refresh here, you will see the change here. Boom, right? Ready to actually build this. If this blueprint made this clearer, that's not an accident. Actually pretty good, pretty good. So I can simply click this button. It will take me to the Warrior Plus affiliate page, right? So it's perfectly fine. And here, as you can see, change to the created by Abhi. It's a very good lead magnet. You can do more changes, like if you want this to be in the middle, you can ask ChatGPT to do that. Gosh, I really can't talk today. But anyway, so I only need to do, this is in Chrome, right? I actually need it as PDF. So I only need to click on Control P, or I can right click and just click on P, print, right? And save as PDF. It's already selected. Perfectly fine. I will save it. And I just have to save it. The one page in online income blueprint. Perfect. Save it. And if I go on downloads now, there it is, our one page online income blueprint. If I open that up, it will open up the PDF document, and it's a perfect PDF document. You can use it. You can upload it to Google Drive and give the share link in here. And oh, right, you cannot see the button here, which is perfectly fine. You can do one more thing here. You can easily go and HTML to PDF on Google. If you want, you can do that as well. So I have used this website called Sajda, whatever that means. I can simply copy the whole code and I will add and I'll paste it here and convert HTML to PDF. It's free to use. So let's see if this fixes the button issue here that we just saw. So as you can see, I'm doing this for the first time in here with this offer, with this ChatGPT thing. So I'm just going and taking a look at it. So yeah, pretty good. I like that. So I will simply download this and see how that works out, All right, so I will open that up. Yeah, that finished the issue, right? If the issue is still persistent, you can simply remove that button and just ask it to highlight that, that section, right? Highlight this section. Where did that go? Yeah, PDF here. Highlight this section as bold, and that will fix the issue if you just ask the ChatGPT to. It's up here, and I am in the middle of editing, but I just tried something. So I actually asked ChatGPT that there is an issue when I print and save it as PDF. The last call to action, which has the black section and the blue button, it disappears. Can you help with that? Well, yes, this is a common Chrome print to PDF issue, and it's not your fault. And it gave me a bunch of codes that I can replace. I can simply ask it to actually recreate the whole code and give me everything so that I can just copy and paste. But it actually gave me this thing here. Where did that go? Yeah, here. So it said, now click more settings, turn on background graphics, and save as PDF. So what I did was, I simply clicked Control P, and as you can see, this is here because I went to more settings here, right? And I just checked background graphics. If I clicked here, it will simply disappear, and it is just like the video that we did just now. But now when I just click on it, the background graphics appear, right? If you want the blue things and such, you actually need to go ahead and follow this, these steps by ChatGPT. But you can simply ask ChatGPT to give me everything, the whole code again, and it will give that to you. Okay, it's very simple. I'm fumbling a lot while talking in this video, but I think you got the idea. You now know how to really make good lead magnet that actually looks good without going to Canva and spend hours on finding the templates and creating the sections. Actually I want to show you my PDF, my lead magnet that I do this as well. So if I go below, as you can see, I use AI and such. If I go below, as you can see, this one I have created using AI itself, and I have used Gemini for this. I really like Gemini, so you can use that as well. You can use the same prompt in both and choose whatever that you like. And as you can see, it created a beautiful lead magnet for me here for a product called Legacy Builders Program. That's a high ticket offer, and it takes them to the offer there, and they watch the video, and if they purchase, I make $900, right? Pretty good stuff here. So now let me go back here, and I hope you understood how easy it is to make good lead magnets, actual good lead magnets that provide value. And this lead magnet that we have created provides incredible value for a complete beginner who is starting his online journey to make money online, right? You are keeping it real, you are keeping it simple in a digestible format, and you are sending them to the offer that you want, right? So that's our first touch point complete. Now what we need to do is we need to create our opt-in page and the bridge page, and we will do that in the next video. I hope you like this one. If you're actually liking this series, then please let me know in the comment section. It will mean a lot to me. And so I see you in the next one. Cheers.